Let's say your team pushes a bug fix on a Monday morning. By lunch, it's in production, fully tested, and no one had to wake up at 3 a.m. to manually deploy it. That kind of speed and reliability doesn't just happen on its own. It's made possible by something called a DevOps pipeline. A DevOps pipeline is a series of automated steps that take your code from deployment to production. It's like a factory line for software, designed to build, test, and deploy your application consistently and efficiently. Every time a developer commits code, the pipeline kicks off and runs through all the stages needed to make sure the code is production ready. Why does this matter? Because the more automation you have in place, the less time you spend fixing broken builds, chasing bugs in production, or dealing with the dreaded "it worked on my machine" excuse. A pipeline ensures quality by catching issues early and makes delivery faster, safer, and repeatable. So what does a typical pipeline look like? It starts with version control. Code is pushed to a shared repository like Git. From there, we hit the build stage, where code is compiled, dependencies are pulled in, and an artifact is created. We're not just building files here, we're validating that the code builds and runs. Next comes automated testing, unit tests, integration tests, even performance and security checks, all running automatically. This is where you catch bugs before they ever make it near a staging or production environment. If it passes all that, we move into deployment. That might mean pushing to a test or staging environment for further validation, or it could go straight into production depending on how confident you are. And even then, you're not just deploying blindly. Monitoring and feedback loops are built in to track application performance and user behavior post-release. Now let's talk about CI/CD. That's continuous integration and continuous delivery, or deployment. These are core principles baked into DevOps pipelines. Continuous integration is all about merging small, frequent changes into a main branch and running automated builds to test to make sure everything still works. No more surprise merge conflicts or last-minute regressions. Continuous delivery takes it further, making sure that every successful build is ready to deploy. Continuous deployment goes all the way, pushing changes live automatically once they've passed all the quality gates. Think of it as delivery on autopilot. So what are the real benefits here? Speed for starters. You can deliver features and fixes faster than ever, but also reliability. Automated pipelines reduce the chance of human error and make rollbacks and hotfixes easier if something goes wrong. They also encourage collaboration. Everyone from developers to QA to ops works within the same system, with full visibility into where things are and what's happening. It's a shared language and a shared process. And here's where Harness comes in. Harness takes the complexity out of building and managing these pipelines. It's a modern AI platform that automates deployments, integrates seamlessly with your tools, and gives you insights into performance, reliability, and cost. You get safe, scalable pipelines without having to stitch everything together yourself. So if you want to ship better software faster without the stress, a solid DevOps pipeline isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. Hope this gave you a clear picture of what's happening behind the scenes when code goes from commit to production. If it did, hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns on modern software delivery. See you next time.